Hey there, welcome back to the Mediocre Hunter. We have a really short segment for you today. It's called Reading the Water. We're here in beautiful Plainfield, New Hampshire, and this is the Connecticut River, and it's a wonderful evening out. I look back at my fishing experiences and I realize all the times that I basically casted my bait or my lures into non-promising water where fish really didn't live. And I learned through the years what characteristics of water and rivers and lakes predicts where fish may be. And this is a great example right here. So if you can see off in the distance, the river's moving really fast and then it slows down and eddies out right behind me. The arrow indicates the magic spot. Simply cast your bait or your lure at this location and let the river carry it downstream towards the calm area where the fish live. They will pounce shortly thereafter. It's a Mediocre Hunter guarantee.
Okay. Let's see what we got.
Come on. All right. Good point. I got him. There we go. He's fighting hard, but I got him. Oh, it's a nice rainbow. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. We might just... Got him. Let me just bring him over here. So I got a nice rainbow trout here. I'm going to let him go because, well, I don't know. I just don't feel like fish tonight, but you can see what happened here is I basically threw the, let me get him back in the water for a second. So you can see what happened there. I just let I had a little night crawler on a spinner, and I just let it kind of coast down there. And it got hit right at the end there. So, it's all good. This is what I'm talking about. Reading the water. We did it. Congratulations. I got a good one there. Oh, that's a smallie. That's a smallie. See him jumping? All right. There he goes. Woo! You see this? This is a huge one. Fighting good here. This is a big fish. You see this? Big fish. I'm probably going to use my net for this one. He doesn't want to come home. He's tired. show you guys this. This is a nice fish. Jumping, taking out drag. Oh, it's all awesome. And this is what I'm saying, reading the water. Whew. All right, there she is. So we're gonna let the smallie go. This is a nice one. Okay, so just once again here, all the action happened right in this corner. You can see when I bring the camera back around here, that's the fast-moving water, and I'll just kind of show you there. And then it basically, as we curve around here, basically where I caught that fish was, or those two fish was right down in this area here. See right where it slows down at the top of the screen.